My name is Sinothando Shibe from the University of KwaZulu-Natal. I was born and bred in a small South African township called KwaMashu in Durban. My love for the deep sea began during my internship at the South African National Biodiversity Institute in 2018. Here I was given the opportunity to go on my very first offshore expedition, and it was during this expedition where I saw my first ROV and ROV footage in real time. This was the exact moment where I fell in love with the deep sea, and I have not looked up since. After that year, I pursued my postgraduate studies in benthic ecology in collaboration with Deep Forests and African coelacanth ecosystem projects, funded through the National Research Foundation. My current project focuses on epifaunal communities in unconsolidated sediment ecosystems of the eastern margin of South Africa and the potential influence of submarine canyons. The study aims to investigate the influence of submarine canyons on adjacent epifaunal communities on unconsolidated sediment habitats in two provinces, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, as well as to classify and describe epifaunal assemblages and identify potential abiotic correlates. From ROV footage, we have recorded some of the most beautiful fields of the Pennetulacean order, also known as sea pens, and preliminary results have shown that in KwaZulu-Natal, habitats on canyon margins were dominated by fine sand and were denser compared to non-canyon associated sites. Here, we recorded very dense aggregations of sea pen species. In the Eastern Cape, we also recorded dense aggregations of sea pens, but here, there was no evidence of a canyon effect. Other factors that were investigated were depth and substrate type, and substrate type showed to significantly influence distributional patterns. Soon, we hope to collect sediment samples to investigate the effect of grain size on observed distributional patterns.